Chloe, are you awake this morning? Huh? You got the hiccups? Oh, big sneeze. Hey. Hi. You gonna open both eyes or just gonna open one? Uh-huh.